All right, get the other side. Good. Power washing your trash can. Train them young. They get good work ethics when they get older. I'm just glad that God gave me an opportunity to do this. Carter. All right, get the other side. Good job. Woo. How was that?
That was awesome!
All right. All right, everybody. He said it was awesome power washing. He power washed his bike nice and clean.
Guys, look it! I'm all wet!
All right. Be good to one another. Love one another. Stay in touch with one another. What's going on, Craig? How you doing? Carter just did a great job of power washing. Want to do a little bit more?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to do a little bit more. Carter's the man today. He's got all this stuff going on. All right. Now we're about to get inside and clean it. All right, you ready? 2 hands. Squeeze. He says he's got it. He got his safety goggles on and everything. For all those who don't know the word work, no, that one, that's already done. For all those that don't understand, when you get older, this is what you call work smarter, not harder. That's why you teach them while they're young and get them excited about it. All right, everybody, be good to one another, love one another, stay in touch with one another, stay in touch with one another. I love you guys. God bless.